So this is one of our creatures that we make in our new Gravity Sketch course. It's obviously a kind of robot dog that you'd see in very, very well-known robot making companies that I don't want to say the name of. One of the things I do a lot of is break up the silhouette with cables. And there's some built-in materials that are really cool for this kind of thing. So let me just show you one that I use a lot. So if I want to add some cabling, I do this a lot with the kind of robots and the designs that I make. What I want to do is basically make a cable that can just run like this. Now, obviously this is a stroke, not a cable, so it's thinner at one end and thin at the other end. So come up to our blue button and we'll go to the second one down, custom stroke, tap it again, and we'll make sure we're on mixed input mode, so it'll basically just give us a cable straight like this. And that works straight away, no problem at all. So if we then come to our material, and instead of going in here in basic and messing around, which we will do in a minute, we'll leave it on basic for now. But if you come up to the top here, you've got swatches for colours, which can be useful, but you've got across to the side of that, you've got this, which is saved materials. And in here, there's a few cool ones that can be useful for cabling. And the one that I use a lot is this, which is carbon. So let me zoom right in. I'll show you what that looks like with a big brush. But as you can see, that basically looks like it's got like a braided carbon fiber look to it. So if we come up here and we change the color, for example, to white, so that'll lighten it up, you get this nice metallic braided effect. So it doesn't look so good large, but if I just go in, you know, much tighter in with this robot and then start using that, you can see how cool that braided effect looks. Looking up close, you can see it quite nicely. So if you want some really heavy duty cabling, that effect is probably one of the better ones that comes built in. You don't even need to make those materials, they're just there. It's a tiny little thing, but to break up that the silhouette, give a bit of visual interest, then that one can really make a difference. Don't want it sticking out of his rib cage though, do I? So that might be not great. And if I don't want it sticking out of his rib cage, or if I do it in a wrong sort of location like that, grab it, blue button, and then you can just manipulate the cables as you see fit, point by point. You can even grab them and push forward and tighten the tangent or relax it. It means you can have angles, or you know, really strong curves, or really harsh tight angles, like push all the way forward and you get that. Which the only way I'd use that is if it's pinned there and one of the you know, there's something that holds it to it. But that really does make it look rather cool, and I'll delete that one because I think that one actually spoils it with having that kink in it. I'll put it down there. Can't stop noodling, can I? But yeah, really cool, built in, so it's already there for you. So have a go at that and see what you think. If Gravity Sketch feels exciting but also a little bit overwhelming, that's exactly why we've created our new course. It's made to help beginners feel confident step by step without all the confusion that comes with trying to piece everything together on your own. So if you'd like to be first to hear about it when it launches, then click on the link below and join the early release list. Everyone on that list gets access to an early launch discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.